So at certain portions, you'd see a protein molecule outside, and that also moves into the interior. And for the peripheral ones, you will only notice one in a particular or on a particular side. So if we continue, we'll say that some of the integral proteins protrude from only one surface of the bilayer, but most span the membrane. What are we talking about? We have a hydrophobic region, and the term hydrophobic simply means that a part that dislikes water. Phobia meaning fear. So when we use the term hydrophobic, we are talking about a portion of the membrane that dislikes water. That's a hydrophobic region. And of course, the other term is hydrophilic. So there's a hydrophilic portion and then a hydrophobic portion. Now, if you look at the structure of the phospholipid, we'll come to that shortly. The phospholipid is ionic, and therefore that serves as the hydrophilic portion. And then the lipid attached, oils will not dissolve in water, and so they are not considered as hydrophilic, and therefore that forms a hydrophobic portion. Beautiful. So they have a hydrophilic head that protrudes from the surface of the bilayer. So if we observe from within, we shall notice the phosphoheads all together. And then if we observe from the outside, we shall again notice phosphoheads together over here. Then in between the two phosphoheads are extensions emanating from each of these phosphoheads towards one another, forming the bilipid layer. Now, cholesterol is another lipid found in the animal plasma membrane. And over here, we'll talk about making the membrane very flexible, containing low temperatures and high temperatures, such that the plasma membrane is able to perform its function. Now we have the structure of a phospholipid. Another term introduced here. Phospholipid is an amphipathic molecule. Amphipathic molecule. And that is looking at both a hydrophilic region and a hydrophobic region. A water-loving region and a water-fearing region. So when we describe the phospholipid as amphipathic, we are talking about a region liking water and a region disliking water. So this is what we are terming the phospho section.